Hello, my name is Eddie and I would like to present how to create an application from the beginning, something about Android Studio from the beginning. It is an interesting program through which applications can be created. I built a fitness application as an idea, and this class contains a few steps about the first stage, being splash screen. A splash screen is a graphical control element consisting of a window containing an image, a logo, and maybe the current version of the software. Most Android applications have a loading page at the beginning, and then the other pages appear: login, registration, and so on. On the Android Studio side, it contains the design part in XML model and the operation part in Java. Each movement on the screen is a part of the code in Java, a light part related to the design, and at the time, a loading made with a GIF image. After that page load, the next page will appear, the main one. You will see every part of the coding, so see you in the first lesson.